Everyone, exercise A of the chapter The Adventure of the Dying Detective from the English book class 8, Oxford University Press. Question number 1. Who told Dr. Watson that the Holmes was ill? Sherlock Holmes' landlady. Explain how Holmes pretended to be ill. Comment on. Holmes pretended to be ill by acting but also by fasting for 3 days and distinguishing himself. He did that by putting Vaseline on his forehead and rough on his cheek and crushed off his beeswax around his lips. His appearance, he looked terrible. His face was gaunt. There was the hectic flush on his cheeks. He had dark rash on his lips. His action, he twitched his hand intensely. His voice was croaking and spasmodic. He lay listless. Question number 3. Answer. Culverton Smith usually. Where does the Culverton Smith usually live? Answer. Culverton Smith usually live in Smarta. Question number 4. Who had sent Holmes the ivory box and what was in it? Answer. The box had come by enormous post, but it was from the Mr. Culverton Smith. It has a spring inside that was ready to draw blood and infect anyone who opened it. Question 5. Why did Mr. Culverton Smith want to kill Holmes? Mr. Culverton Smith wanted to kill the Holmes because Holmes had guessed that Culverton Smith had murdered his new wife Victor Swartz. Question 6. Who was waiting outside Holmes and wait signals was he waiting for? Answer. Inspector Morton was waiting outside Holmes' house as he was waiting for the light to turn on. 7. Where did Watson hide and why did Holmes need him there? Answer. Watson hid behind the head of the bed. Holmes needed him there so that he could witness Culverton Smith's confession. Question 8. Which details, not including the revelation that he is murdered, create impression that Culverton Smith is an unpleasant person? He shows a gleam of recognition when Watson arrives. He leaps out of bed to stop Watson from leaving to fetch Mr. Doctor and his trip. He shouts to Watson to leave the box on the metal piece one. And Holmes is very ill. He speaks in his normal voice as soon as he has had some water and hear Mr. Culverton Smith confession. Question number 9. What clues are there in the story that Holmes was not really ill? Answer. The last 8 paragraphs reveals about Holmes' pretension of his illness to the reader. Question number 10. How does Holmes make sure that Watson does not guess that he is pretending? Answer. By making him stand back and by keeping the light off. He needed Watson to believe he is very ill so that Watson can convince Mr. Culverton Smith and bring him to the Holmes.